going to try a new Zap. So when we on Zapier go to make a new Zap, we're going to use Thinkific. The trigger event is going to be when someone enrolls. Continue. The Thinkific account is what we've just installed. Continue. The course value, here it is, Candida, begun, sleep, begin. Continue. Find data. We're going to test and review this. Oh, I don't have any enrollments yet, simply because I haven't cancel. I haven't done that yet. Cancel, my darling. Skip test. God, no. So anyway, do this. What do I want it? I wanted to go to Flodesk, and I want to create a new subscriber or update a subscriber. This is the account that we're using. Continue. Now the segment is going to be my Candida leads, and I'm going to change this. This is actually going to be called Candida skip test. This is actually going to be called Candida new enrollment. But it's basically a segment that I have in Flodesk just for that. And then in the email that I'm going to use, this is what we have here. So I'm going to use new enrollment in Thinkific, insert data. Okay. There we go. Email. Close. First name and last name I don't really need for now. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else I need. I'm not going to test this for now because something is not quite right, but it's fine. Because I haven't enrolled anything yet. I haven't tested it out yet. But basically what then will happen is that it will trigger an automation in Flodesk. So I will send out all my emails just like I would do with a normal workflow. And I have a tutorial on that I will link here. Or if you go to my YouTube channel, you will find a whole tutorial on how I do a workflow in Flodesk. But that's basically how I would do the skip test, and we are done. That's it. We can already switch that on if we want to. It might not work until we're done, but it's fine. It will when everything is ready.